Are you a new notary just starting out? Or perhaps you're wanting to optimize and expand your notary business? Here are 5 tips for your business to succeed in 2024. Find someone who is already where you hope to be and ask them to be your mentor. When you are first starting out in the notary business, having access to a guide who can steer you in the right direction can really catapult your success. Instead of constant trial and error on your part, a mentor can share their knowledge with you, saving you loads of time and money. A mentor is a great place to start, but it's important to become tied to the local notary community as a whole. Attend local events and join local business organizations. The more you get your name out there, the more likely other notaries will pass along your information when they inevitably must decline a signing. In turn, you can recommend them when you are unable to make an appointment. Additionally, be sure to have a good cell phone with excellent coverage. Your notary business depends on solid communication. Respond promptly and professionally to any inquiries. Timing is everything. Take the time to write out what you want your notary business to look like and how you plan to get there. Line up the resources you will need to become successful. Outline your costs and what you plan to charge your customers. Set up a well-organized billing and business tracking system. Make sure you thoroughly understand how you will oversee transactions, business income, expenses, clients, and referrals. Many companies require notaries to have experience before being hired. But how are you supposed to gain experience if no one will hire you? Start with your notary education. Make sure to stay consistently up to date on notary laws, state regulations, and any new notary legislation. Next, create your resume. Focus on past positions and experiences that lend themselves to skills every notary should possess: accountability, organization, timeliness, and discretion. Lastly, tap into your mentor and network of local notaries to find out where you can easily enter the business and gain much desired experience. Make yourself and your business visible. Create an easy-to-find online profile via a website and social media marketing. When an interested potential client hears your name, their first step is usually to look you up online. A solid online presence lends credence to your business and allows the client to feel secure in their choice to employ your services. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website, notarypublicunderwriters.com, for online education courses, bonds, insurance, and notary supplies. We also have a notary blog with the latest state law information, tips, and other resources. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more notary content.